Volume and price are the primary elements in identifying market trends. Despite its significance, many popular trend filter indicators only consider an asset's price and do not factor in the volume when determining the trend. But what if there was an indicator that takes both these parameters into account? Well, in this video, we're going to showcase an indicator that not only incorporates volume into trend analysis, but also leverages the power of machine learning. Stay tuned as we dive deeper into this innovative tool that could potentially revolutionize your trading strategy. If you end up finding this video helpful, remember to leave a like. Let's get into it. Now, the indicator that we're talking about is called Volume Supertrend AI. To add it to your chart, you're gonna go to TradingView. Then load the 1 hour time frame of any forex pair or trading security that you like. For me, I'm gonna be using the 1 hour time frame of AUD and ZD. Then click on Indicators, type in Volume Supertrend AI, select this one by Xiamen. The Volume Supertrend AI is a sophisticated tool. It integrates machine learning techniques, particularly the k-nearest neighbors algorithm, with traditional supertrend calculations with the aim of predicting trends in price movements. This integration aims to provide a more precise prediction of price trends, identifying potential bullish and bearish signals in the market. Now, this indicator is composed of these green and red background fills. When the background fill is green, that indicates a bullish trend, but when the background fill is red, that indicates a bearish trend. This line that changes color from green to red and vice versa is called the trailing ATR line. And as you can see, it closely mirrors the background fills. When it's colored red, it indicates a bearish trend, and when it's colored green, it indicates a bullish trend. This green dot indicates a shift in market trend from bearish to bullish, and this red dot indicates a shift in market trend from bullish to bearish. These up and down arrows are trend continuation signals. The green upward arrow indicates a bullish trend continuation and is also a potential entry point for long trades. This red down arrow signals a bearish trend continuation and is also a potential entry point for short trades. In addition to these red and green areas, you'll notice a blue ribbon nested in between them. This is called the neutral zone. It typically appears during transitions from bullish to bearish trends and vice versa, serving as an indicator of potential market changes. Looking at the settings of this indicator, we can see several customizable options. Under the AI settings, decreasing the number of neighbors makes the indicator more responsive to recent price changes, while increasing it makes the indicator less sensitive to price, potentially filtering out market noise and false signals. For now, we're going to retain the default setting of 3. Additionally, altering the data quantity can modify the indicator's focus on recent market trends. A reduced data number makes the indicator hone in on the latest market behaviors, while increasing it incorporates a more extensive historical context into the trend analysis. For this strategy, we're going to maintain a default setting of 10, providing a balanced perspective. Next, we have the price trend and the prediction trend. These can be tuned to be more responsive to recent price changes or to filter out noise for identifying persistent market directions. Then here, there is an option to show or hide the AI trend signals. Next, we delve into the Supertrend settings. The length parameter specifies the number of past candles used in the Supertrend calculations, affecting its responsiveness to price changes. The factor parameter alters the gap of the supertrend from the current price, serving as a multiplier for the ATR calculations. Changing this number can affect this indicator's responsiveness to price changes. Moving on, we have the moving average source, presenting several options for our selection. For this video, we're gonna go with the default value. Additionally, here you have the option to change the colors representing bullish and bearish trends. In the Style tab, we have the option to switch the visibility of various indicator components, but since we're going to maintain the default settings of this indicator, we're going to click here and choose to reset this indicator's settings to the default values. After that, click OK. Now, at this point in time, I know you may be thinking,
but how can we use this indicator to trade?
Well, I'm gonna show you. But before that, let's talk about Henker Trade. Now, you may be thinking,
but what exactly is Henker Trade?
Henker Trade is one of the most reliable forex brokers out there, and for that reason, I use them every single day. As you can see here, this is my trading history. I mainly trade gold, and up here you can see that this is actually a live account. The reason why I love HenkoTrade so much is because of their extremely low commissions and spreads. On Forex, for example, the spreads can go as low as 0.0 pips, which is actually the lowest they can go. For those of you who love high leverage, HenkoTrade offers a maximum leverage of 1 to 500. If all of that isn't enough, they're also going to give you a 100% bonus for all your deposits up to $25,000. So if you deposit, say, $500, they're going to give you a bonus of $500. So now you'll have a total of $1,000 to trade with. To access the bonus, as well as all the other perks, sign up to HenkoTrade using the link in the video description. Now, back to the video. Now, to take a long trade with this indicator, these are the conditions. The trend ribbon should be colored green to indicate that the market is in a bullish trend. And then we're gonna wait for a green upward arrow to be printed to indicate a bullish trend continuation. And of course, it's gonna be the opposite for a short trade. So the trend ribbon should be colored red to indicate that the market is in a bearish trend. Then a red downward arrow should be printed to indicate a bearish trend continuation. Now, taking trades with this indicator this way isn't the best option because the indicator produces lots of false signals when the market is ranging. To fix this issue, we're gonna add one more tool to the chart. On the indicator search tab, type in EMA. Select this one that's called Moving Average Exponential. Double-click on it to access the settings panel. Then on the Inputs tab, change the length to 200. Then on the Style tab, change the color to whatever you want. For me, I'm gonna go with yellow. After that, click OK. The moving average is gonna be used to identify long-term trends in the market. When the price is trading above it, that indicates a long-term bullish trend. And when the price is trading below it, that indicates a long-term bearish trend. Now, to take trades with these two indicators combined is really simple. Let me show you. To take a long trade, first, the price should be trading above this 200 period EMA to indicate a long-term bullish trend. Second, the volume Supertrend AI should be colored green to indicate that the market is in a short-term bullish trend. Third, a green arrow should be printed by the volume Supertrend AI to indicate a bullish trend continuation. Lastly, as an additional confirmation, we want to make sure that there is a resistance level present, and that resistance level should not be too far from the candle where the green arrow was printed. In this particular example, we can see that there is this resistance zone right here, and the price actually rejected it 2 times. This is going to increase the probability of the price heading in the direction of our trade once the price breaks and closes above it. Also, an important thing to remember is that from the beginning of this resistance level, we want the market to be in a bullish trend, which means from here all the way to here, the trend ribbon of the volume Supertrend AI should be colored green. If it displays any other color in between here, that setup becomes invalid. As you can see here, the price broke and closed above this resistance level, which means all our entry conditions are met right here. So we're gonna enter our long trade here. The stop loss is gonna be set somewhere below the resistance level. And for the take profit, we're gonna set it at 3 times the risk. Letting this trade run, and it hits take profit. For short trades, these are the conditions. First, the price should be trading below this 200 period EMA to indicate a long-term bearish trend. Second, the volume Supertrend AI should be colored red to indicate that the market is in a short-term bearish trend. Third, a red downward arrow should be printed by the volume Supertrend AI to indicate a bearish trend continuation. Lastly, as an additional confirmation, we want to make sure that there is a support level present, and that support level should not be too far from the candle where the red arrow was printed. In this particular example, we can see that there is this support level right here, and the price bounced from it 2 times. This is going to increase the probability of the price heading in the direction of our trade once it breaks and closes below it. Also, an important thing to remember is that from the beginning of this support level, we want the market to be in a bearish trend, which means from here all the way to here, the volume Supertrend AI should only be colored red. If it happens to display any other color other than red, that setup becomes invalid. As we can see, the price broke and closed below this support level, which means all our entry conditions are met right here. We enter a short trade here, set the stop loss somewhere above this support level, and for the take profit, we're gonna set it at 3 times the risk. Letting this trade run, and it hits take profit. In conclusion, the Volume Supertrend AI indicator is a crucial tool in identifying market trends, combining both volume analysis and machine learning to fine-tune your trading strategy. Use this guide not as financial advice, but as a stepping stone towards making informed and strategic trading decisions. That's been it for this video. I hope you found some value. If you did, hit the like button below and consider subscribing to stay tuned. Thanks for watching. See you next time.